bag of brekkie burritos.
One of those has to be for me.
I don't know. How many burritos you got?
How many burritos are in there?
Let me just say the winners are here.
Who comes to play pickleball in authentic bands?
Oh, don't worry. See these? See these bad boys? See these bad boys? See this? I'm always prepared. Always. Did you see my text?
I said it'd be
Yeah,
real
and I was like,
funny.
there's no way you
real
got
funny.
burrito for me.
If you showed up and there wasn't a burrito for TJ.
You know I got one.
Nate secured the bag.
You got it.
You tell him
Keep
from...
burritos from jalapenos.
Yeah.
Is there one in there for me?
No, I'll split one with you though.
Wow. Later, baby. I'm really glad you got that on film.
I captured that miss.
I'm never gonna let that one down. Nice, Kevin. Wow.
They suck.
Ah, he got slapped on. Score is 6-3-1. Let me repeat that. 6-3-1.
He did.
That's you, Kev. Oh!
Jambalaya.
Whose point was that?
Kev, do you leave your paddle at home? Yeah, I just pulled it out. Hold on. Oh, yeah. TJ dropped the ball.
That was brutal. That was bad.
7-3-2. You.
Out.
Make sure you get over the net, Teach. Or in the court too, by the way.
Any comments on that? Can't win them all.
It's a perfection in progress.
I want to replay that. I tried to give a little dap up to Kevin. He completely ignored me.
Whoa.
Oh, zoom in on that?
Yeah, I'm
zoom
going to zoom
on
in and slow-mo that.
In the arms of the angel.
Unfortunately, we stopped recording, but can we explain who won that game?
Your boys did. TJ lost. I had it right on his ankles. He couldn't do anything. He was like,
Is that true?
It's not true.
Oh, really?
I think it was in on my return.
What is this shirt?
Oh, I'm a biker girl now.
Sturgis?
I'm gonna get my
Sturgis? What? What is this?
Yeah.
If y'all know what Sturgis is, you would know what that shirt is.
You don't know what that is.
I don't know what that is.
The best drink ever. Anyone.
Get yourself a girlfriend that comes to
know if you ordered
pickleball
it.
courts
Yeah,
at
well,
8 a.m. to
CJ's
deliver
iced
everyone
vanilla
coffee.
Okay, I have to admit, I've been like kind of crapping on this car over the last like day and a half since I've been driving it because I just got it back. I haven't shown you guys and I kind of love it. It needs to be dialed in. It still feels really boaty, but it looks so cool.
It makes up for it not being the best driving car in the world. Oh, it's so sick.
Played some solid pickleball this morning and today I have to put up Christmas lights at the house. So I have 3 lucky volunteers here that have just volunteered to help hang lights. I've never hung lights.
I thought I was hot tubbing.
Never hung lights?
I thought I was going in the hot tub. It's chilly out, you know,
Okay.
nice little tub sesh.
Maybe after.
I'm gonna be the guy that's hanging on the side of the house, hanging the lights.
Yo, every time that Sean and Nate are in the video, I always go, yo, it's the Throttle Boys. So shout out to Throttle Boys hanging on today's video. So we're coming to Target before going back to the house. I need to buy a bunch of lights. I put up lights before.
I've never put up lights at the new house. So that's what we're here for today.
Ready?
We gotta press this every time.
This is horrible.
No thanks. Boom.
No thanks.
No thanks. Boom. No thanks.
His inner zoomies is coming out.
No thanks. Boom. No thanks. Boom. Boom. Fast as boy.
Alright, now you
That's an early NOS, Nate.
It's not. I've been up for like 5 hours.
Oh, I'm definitely grabbing one of
It's
those.
11:20.
Perfect timing.
Wow, NOS o'clock.
Perfect timing.
So here's why I'm scared to put lights on my house. You want me to show you, Nate? Okay, growing up, my house, my parents' house, had like a wood trim around the garage. The architecture on this house is just like concrete. So there's no place to put a staple gun or to make little nails. And I'm not gonna drill into the concrete and have these nails hanging out. So I'm like, what am I supposed to do? And then I found there's like these plastic clips. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna like shove these plastic clips that hold on to like the shingles or that little metal trim. And then you hang the lights off those hooks. We'll see how.
I don't know if we bought enough
That's what I was
lights.
saying, 400 feet. I don't know.
Well, so I don't know if we're gonna, I don't know if we should go up and like go up the archway.
But it's weird because it goes back and then up. And
I know,
then
we're gonna have
over.
to get crafty, boys.
Yeah.
It's gonna be. That was For the Boys, and right now the For the Boys sweatshirts just hit the website. They look like this. If you haven't already and you want to win, well, we're kind of stacked deep. There's an E90 M3 over there that has your name on it. Right now, every $5 you spend gets you 1 entry towards winning my M3. Check out thehuncompany.com. We just shopped a whole bunch of new sweatshirts and t-shirts and hats. So Go check it out. Thank you for reminding for the boys. December 22 giveaway ends. Put it in your entries, boys. Let's get to work.
Oh wait, I forgot to hit record. Do that again. Hold on, do it again.
I see the light. Ah. So we're gonna be starting with the side of the house, and we're gonna try to make a solid line going across the whole entire gutter, wrapping the whole entire house. Now, come to think of it, I definitely think we undersold ourselves on the amount of lights that we got, but we're gonna give it a good hard try. Looking great. You get down, I'll be your ladder mover.
Anthony and Sean are up there trying to connect from what we've done. We got duct tape. Twan, how's it going?
Doing great. We're doing the hard job up here. These guys had the easy job with the ladder. We're doing the hard work.
Oh, they're still doing lights?
They're up there with duct tape.
This is a community effort.
I don't know. Duct tape is a little.
Well, the duct tape is just to hide it. We are great.
What we got? Ooh, dots.
Yeah, no, these are great.
Yeah, I'll have some. Anthony is doing the hardest work right now. So
God.
TJ is gonna hold his shirt in case he falls.
Did I do this backwards?
Anthony is on the brink of death.
You got me? Yeah, I got you.
And TJ is holding him. Yeah.
Hey, you want to throw another roll?
Oh, that's a high toss, boys. All right, you guys gonna catch?
No. Do not.
Bink Anthony in the head. This is a high throw.
Do not throw it yet. Hold on.
I can catch it 100%.
No.
No, go down there.
No. Go back here. Wait. That shatter.
Oh my.
We did it. We did it. First impression?
Absolutely stunning. Well, I mean, I can't really get a feel
I know,
for it
it's
until
tough.
it's night, because like,
But-
I'm not gonna lie, in the daylight, these aren't the best looking lights in my personal
I know.
Why didn't he get bigger ones?
We got fooled by the box.
Okay.
Come look at it.
Oh, okay.
So-
I would have gotten fooled too.
Yeah. But I think you'll be impressed with.
I'm impressed. Wow, how did you guys do this?
It looks like there's one layer here,
Wow, it's very clean.
another layer there, and another layer here. Little vlog update. We finished the lights.
Finished the lights, and I was like, this car. But they didn't see this car was dead. And I'm like, dude, we had to jump it, do all this stuff. I was like, this car is such a disservice. Just, I don't know, inspiration to just at least, if we're not gonna clean it, at least make it not look like a cop car anymore. I just got back and you guys missed Sabrina's official review, and the review isn't even really set yet because it's not dark yet. But Sabrina, what do you think?
They look really good.
Oh, why don't you look me in the eye and say it? You think it looks like trash?
Wait, no, look at them. They look really bad. I'm
What's-
sorry. I
what?
appreciate the effort.
What's wrong with that?
They look terrible, dude.
What?
Bad? They look bad, Sabrina?
No, they don't.
I risked my life to do
They don't look bad. They just
How is it bad?
tacky.
Danny, how's it bad?
Yeah, I wish it wasn't sparkling.
Yeah, the sparkling really throws it off for me. Not
I didn't,
gonna
okay,
lie.
I didn't
And-
pick that they sparkled. That's all they had.
No.
Look at his haircut. It's not as bad.
I do like that.
Hey, brother.
Kind of see like where the string comes down on that back side of the house.
Come on, you guys.
I'm just
That was
kidding,
your
I'm kidding,
job.
I'm
That was your
kidding.
job.
No,
That was my job. You think it's only that side? Come check this side.
Wait. Oh, I was talking about that side, but now I see what you're talking about.
Okay, that was
Damn.
This wasn't $300 in 5 hours of work, right?
Ooh,
Hey,
look at
it's
this
better than the
amazing
10K we
M3.
got.
Win it now at thehuncompany.com.
I love this.
Look at this. I think
that
this.
looks good.
Yeah.
Festive.
It's not really the best time to get the review of these lights, guys, because it's really not dark enough yet. Ooh, but the double stack? Look, it continues on the next one. Wow, who did that?
You see the tree?
Oh, with the tree inside? Danny?
Oh, you get all.
I do like that second decker.
Yeah, he does. I'm gonna come all the way down. Oh, dude, looks great. Hell yeah, brother. It looks amazing. What?
Dude,
It's phenomenal.
I think it looks great with the Christmas tree on the inside. I think it looks sick. 10 out of 10. I agree. 10 out of 10. Sabrina, I'm not gonna let you roast me anymore. I felt necessary to give you guys an at dark view because I think at dark it just does a completely different vibe. The twinkling lights is so cool when there's this many of them. And also it really gives all the cars like really cool silhouettes. Like I think it looks super sick. Like this Mark V right now looks like the Batmobile with the reflection of the lights on it. But we have the ultimate vibe going on right now. These are like what I feel like I used to like work so hard for. And this is like a vision board in real life. I don't know if we're doing the vision board tonight. I know it's been a day or two. We have all month, but this is literally like what I would dream about when I first started like everything. Like at the beginning of everything, I knew that one day I would have every single thing that you guys are seeing in this driveway. Absolutely no BS. I would dream and visualize the perfect house I wanted, all of the cars, the friends, the family, girl, like everything. And this is just kind of a surreal moment, especially like during the holidays. This driveway is insane. This should not be real life. None of this should be real. None of it. And I was kind of looking at this earlier and I was like, wow, this looks absolutely amazing. So keep working towards whatever you're doing. I promise you, if you are truly in love with it, you will outwork every other person trying to do what you're doing and you'll win. It's just a fact. As we move towards the back of the house, we were actually gonna try to make a desert trip this weekend and we always do bonfires. So we didn't make it out this weekend, unfortunately, but I was like, you know what? This is the perfect opportunity to bring the fire to the house. So we have the hot tub turning on right now, and we brought down the fire pit so we can have the fire pit experience, the desert experience, all in the house. So this is where we're gonna be tonight.
This is a desert experience with Wi-Fi, basically.
Yes, essentially. So we just realized that all of this wood is damp and it's not burning at all. We ran out of all the cardboard to keep like stoking the fire. So Anthony just went down in the razor, got a bunch of brush and branch from down below.
Okay. All right,
we're gonna try and revive this. I don't think it is revivable. Let me know down below in the comments or can you dry out wood that's already damp? I don't think that you can. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Okay, this has potential.
It's gonna smoke, but
it's not doing
it's gonna
much.
light. No, once it lights, she's gonna light.
We're making a big mess if this actually doesn't all catch on fire.
No.
That was probably a mistake.
That was a mistake.
That's hot.
Well, it's fire.
Put it back on. Put it back on. It's done. Put it back on.
Sure.
Okay.
You are the second.
It's okay.
What
it's
are
all
you
right.
doing?
It's all right. Leave it in there. Take it back out.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Look at it. It's helping though.
I don't think it's doing anything.
I
I don't know if it's doing much.
I got a plan.
Roll a pine cone and see what happens. See what happens, right? Here.
Need a little.
See if a pine cone.
No.
How you feeling up there, buddy?
High anxiety moment right now, but under pressure is where I perform. So I'm feeling good.
Anthony.
Yeah.
Don't look back.
The full moon up there.